Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to unpack RAR archive on the Oppo A5x. Now, if we open the Files app on our smartphone, then let's go to the internal storage. And from here, as you can see, we have a file in the RAR format. Now to unpack this RAR file, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just enable this toggle, then go back. And give this app this permission. And select Dismiss. Now from here, just find the RAR file which you want to unpack. Then tap on it. And from here, just tap on this icon. From here, just tap on Browse. Then tap on this folder. And from here, just select the location where you want to save the unpacked file. For example, I will select this folder. Then tap on OK. And once you select the folder where you want to save your unpacked RAR file, just select OK. And once you do that, you will unpack the RAR file on your smartphone. Now, if you go to the home screen and open the Files app on your smartphone, then tap on Internal Storage, and from here just open the folder where you have saved the unpacked RAR file. And as you can see, this is the RAR file which we have unpacked. And this is how you can unpack RAR archive on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.